We have already discussed about 6 countries from Asia, Europe, Africa and Central America so far in Know the Country series. Now let's continue our discussion on the next country in this series from South America. But before that, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon if you haven't done already, so that you won't miss more interesting videos in the future. Also, do not miss the fact of the day at the end of this video. Without any further delay, let's start today's episode. Hello aspiring Sarvagnanis. Welcome to my channel. This video explains about the basic details about the 7th country in this series, Argentina. Argentina is officially known as the Argentine Republic. It is located in the southern part of South American continent. It also claims a portion of Antarctica as well as several islands in the South Atlantic Ocean. The boundaries are Chile to the south and west, Bolivia and Paraguay to the north, and Brazil, Uruguay and the Atlantic Ocean to the east. Argentina is subject to a variety of climates. The north of the country is characterized by very hot, wet summers with mild, drier winters and is subject to periodic droughts during the winter season. Central Argentina has hot summers with tornadoes and thunderstorms and cool winters. The southern regions have warm summers and cold winters with heavy snowfall, especially in mountainous zones. Argentina is a federation of 23 provinces and one autonomous city, Buenos Aires. Provinces are divided for administration purposes into departments and municipalities, except for Buenos Aires province, which is divided into partidos and localidades. Buenos Aires city itself is divided into communes and non-official neighborhoods. It is the second largest country in South America and the 8th largest country in the world, covering an area of 2,780,400 square kilometers. As of today, the current population is estimated to be just above 45.34 million. It is equivalent to 0.58% of the total world population. The population density is 17 people per square kilometer. 1/3 of the population lives in its capital city, Buenos Aires. Patagonia to the south remains sparsely populated. The male to female ratio is approximately 0.96. Just like the last 2 countries in our list, Angola and Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina is also one of the few countries where the women outnumber the men. The Spanish first arrived Argentina in 1516. They later established their first colony in Buenos Aires. In 1776, Argentina became part of a new Spanish colony called the Viceroyalty of the Rio de la Plata. It wasn't long though before Argentina wanted its independence. Led by José de San Martin, they declared their independence on July 9, 1816. Although they defeated the Spanish, there was still civil war in Argentina for many years. They finally established a constitution in 1853 and a formal national government in 1861. The government of Argentina is a presidential representative democratic republic. The president of Argentina is both head of state, head of government, and the chief of the Argentine armed forces. Executive power is exercised by the president. Legislative power is vested in the National Congress. The judiciary is independent from the executive and from the legislature. The president and vice president are directly elected for a 4-year term and cannot be re-elected beyond a second consecutive term. Voting is compulsory for the people aged between 18 and 70 in this country. Registered voters who do not vote without a justification are fined. As of 2018, the adult literacy rate in Argentina is estimated to be around 99%. As of 2018, the average life expectancy at birth is estimated to be around 77 years. Christianity is the most practiced religion in Argentina. Approximately 92% of the population identifies as Roman Catholic. However, less than 20% are actively practicing. 2% of the population are Protestants and another 2% are Jewish. Approximately 4% of the remaining population practice other religions. As Argentina was a Spanish colony, Spanish is the most spoken and its official language, even though the accent is much different than the Spanish spoken in Spain. In addition, German, Italian, English and French are also spoken by a small fraction of their population. According to the World Bank, the gross domestic product in Argentina was approximately $449.7 billion in 2019, which represents 0.51% of the total world economy. The Argentine peso is the official currency of Argentina. As of today, one Argentine peso equals $0.013 United States dollar. Argentina is a developing country. It is rich in natural resources and fertile lands, and this country majorly depends on agricultural, food processing and natural gas industries. The main exports are soybeans and derivatives, petroleum and gas, vehicles, corn and wheat, mainly to Brazil, China, United States and Chile. The main imports are machinery, motor vehicles, petroleum and natural gas, organic chemicals and plastic from Brazil, China, United States and Germany. The poverty rate rose to 40.9% in the first 6 months of 2020 from 35.5% in the second half of 2019. The economic crisis due to the strict lockdowns during coronavirus pandemic is the main factor for such a high poverty rate in this country. Argentina's flag is a light blue and white triband with a yellow sun of May in the center. The flag is twice as wide as it is tall. This flag was adopted on February 12, 1812, 4 years before Argentina declared independence from Spain. The Son of May design was added to the flag in 1818. The blue and white colors were chosen by Manuel Belgrano, the leader of the Argentinian Revolution against Spain, and represent the blue sky parting to reveal white clouds. Argentina's Flag Day is celebrated on 20th June, the anniversary of Belgrano's death. Rufus hornero or red ovenbird is the national animal or national bird of Argentina. This medium-sized ovenbird is common in savannas, second-growth scrub, pastures and agricultural land in East and South America. Argentina observes Argentina time all year, which is 3 hours behind the Greenwich Mean Time, GMT-3. There are no daylight saving time clock changes. Buenos Aires, officially autonomous city of Buenos Aires, is the capital and largest city of Argentina. It is one of Latin America's most important ports and most populous cities, as well as the national center of commerce, industry, politics, culture and technology. According to a study, Buenos Aires has the highest number of bookshops per person than any other city in the world. So if you love to read, then you know where to go. Cordoba, Rosario, La Plata and Mar del Plata are the other major cities in this country. Must-see places in this country include Iguazu Falls, which are huge waterfalls that lie along Argentina's border with Brazil and protected as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Los Glaciers National Park, which is home to the immense, nearly 200-foot tall Perito Moreno Glacier, which spans an astonishing 121 square miles. Ushuaia, which is the world's southernmost city in Patagonia and nicknamed as the end of the world, and is popular for Antarctica cruises and spectacular landscapes of the Andes, plains and plateaus, and San Carlos de Bariloche, which is a lakeside town famous for its skiing, trekking, rock climbing and water sporting opportunities. Most popular food in Argentina include asado, which is Argentina's national dish and is made from pork, chicken, sausages and beef barbecue. Provoleta, which is an Italian-inspired grilled cheese dish. Empanadas, which are baked or fried stuffed dough pockets with different meats and veggies. Choripan, where the sausage is grilled and topped with chimichurri and served between slices of crusty bread. And dulce de leche, which is a dessert which is made from sweetened milk cooked in low heat until it's caramelized. Football is the most popular sport in Argentina and part of the country's culture. Some of the best football players in the world like Diego Maradona and Lionel Messi are from this country. However, a traditional sport known as El Pato is the national sport here. Basketball, rugby, tennis and hockey are the other popular sports in this country. And this concludes our discussion on Argentina, which is the 7th country in this series. How did you guys like it? If you guys learned something new, please hit a like and share it with your friends and family. Do you want me to add any more details about a country in my next videos? Let me know in the comments below, and also share any of your experiences with this country that you may have. And now the fact of the day. Argentina was the first country to use fingerprinting as a method of investigation. In 1892, the small Argentinian town of Necochea in the province of Buenos Aires was rocked by the gruesome stabbing of 2 children. With no witnesses to the crime, local police were unable to tie the murder to any particular suspect. Utilizing a bloody fingerprint left on a door handle, a local detective discovered the murderer to be the kid's mother, who eventually confessed to the crime.